You know, no matter what kind of care you try to take of your garden hose, sooner or later it's going to spring a leak, and then you've got to figure out just what to do with it.
Now, there's a number of repair kits that are available at the home center or hardware store, and this is one I've used quite a bit that's actually just a little sleeve that fits inside the hose and then little couplings that clamp down over it to solve the problem with the leak. Now, what I've done is, first of all, identified exactly where the hole is in this hose, and then using very, very hot water, I've just been soaking it a little bit to make it a little more pliable. And then, after it's nice and warm, I'll take some garden scissors here and just cut this right in half. Then I'll keep the hose down in the water as long as I can. Then I use the little sleeves. I slip on either end, just like this. Then the hard part comes in installing this little part inside the hose. Slowly work the connector inside the hose. A snug fit like this one will help prevent any future leaks. Now, once that's in place, you slip the clamps up tight and you start tightening down, and the hose is ready to use again.